Welcome to IB Economics 2022. Your teachers for this course are going to be Mr. Egan and Miss Kyo. In this, I'm going to talk about what economics is. I'm going to talk about course content areas. I'm going to talk about how you will be assessed and the difference between higher level and standard level in economics. Okay, so one of the first units we have in economics is the Introduction to Economics unit. It looks at the problem of scarcity. Economics is a social science. We make models of the economy, and we look at the methodology economists use when they're coming up with their way of thinking, and we look at economic theorists as well, different types of theorists in economics. We also look at microeconomics, which looks at demand and supply, elasticity of demand. We look at the role of the company, the firm in the economy. We look at monopolies, who are firms that dominate markets, like, for example, Google dominates internet search. We look at the advantages and disadvantages of these things. We look at market failure, why markets don't work in certain circumstances. This is all microeconomics. And macro is looking at the broader economy. It's looking at things like economic activity, unemployment, economic growth, monetary policy, policies to fix the economy when things go wrong, when we have coronavirus. What can economists do to help improve the economy? We look at inequality, poverty, and how to get the economy out of poverty. And the last part of the course is international trade, the international economy. It looks at trading relations between countries, and it also looks at developing countries and how developing countries can get better. The different assessment, IB assessment, higher level, is you have paper one, is common to both papers. It's worth 20% for higher level, 30% for standard level. It's an essay paper. You have to do 2 long essay questions for both macro and micro, long essay questions. The second paper is for both is data response. You get some data, you have to respond to the data, and then you have to respond to the data. And the third paper is a policy paper. This is only for the math. It's mostly a mathematical paper for higher level. Now, there is some math as well in paper 2 for standard level, but the paper 3 is very math heavy. So if you're not good at math, you probably shouldn't do economics. You also should be very good at writing as well to do economics. Internal assessment, we have to get 3 newspaper articles and write commentaries on them for HL and standard level. The internal assessment is worth 20% for higher level and 30% for standard level. So for the school course, 60% of your grade for your semester grade is worth for major assessments. These are like IB courses, and 40% is minor assessments. These include quizzes and things like that. And that's it. Thank you.